Shalom and welcome to 2 Minutes of Torah. This year is entitled, How Did All the Animals Fit Onto the Ark? Famous question. So many species of animals that we have today in the world, how could they possibly have all fit into the ark? So some say it was just miraculous, and just like God brought all the animals onto the ark was miraculous. The food didn't spoil, according to many, it was miraculous, and somehow the animals fitting onto the ark was miraculous as well. The Radal, Talmud of the Gra, actually has a fascinating point. He says that part was not miraculous, and he has several chidushim, novel ideas. He writes that we have the primary original species, meaning that you have one set of dogs, one set of bears, and we don't have all the different kinds of breeds of dogs, all different kinds of breeds of bears. And then when they came out, the dogs became Cocker Spaniels, etc., German Shepherds, as time went on, and so too with the bears. But originally just one pair of dogs. It was one breed, and not all the subspecies. He says based on that, then it was possible with one other factor. What else? That each floor stored animals. The famous Medrash says the bottom floor was garbage, the middle floor was animals, and the top floor was just for the humans. He says no, there were 365 compartments for animals on the top floor, middle floor, and the bottom floor. Based on that, he wants to say within the laws of nature, we're able to go ahead and fit the animals onto the ark. It's an interesting approach, and everyone agrees there was obviously hashgacha involved over. The question is, how many miracles do we have to allow for? The Rambam in general like to minimize the amount of miracles in Tanakh, so this would be one approach where here, this specific aspect can be understood according to Radal as the laws of nature, and that's exactly what he does by adding those two chidushim. Number one, it wasn't all the breeds that we have today, it was just the original species, and number two, it was on all three floors of the ark, and therefore 365 compartments times 3 made it possible to fit, based on Derech HaTeva, all the different species. Shalom.